so Costco, I think, is a pretty bellwether stock. They're like the last company that reports monthly sales, and their March same-store sales in the U.S. ex gas and FX, which is the most clean number that we can sort of track, that we want to track, is was up 0.9%. That compares to 3.4% sequentially. So that's just on the borderline of negative and not good, obviously. They pointed out that year over year inflation for food and sundries was down from February. So disinflation sequentially slowing. That's also what I'd say. And it's not food demand. Food continues to be their best selling products, but it's the non-food which slowed sequentially from February. So that's what I point out. It's, people having to, so part of that deceleration, right, sequentially is less than food inflation that they pointed out to, but part of it is people have to spend less outside of food. And that's what I think Brian and I would both agree on with the headwinds for the consumer, that they have to spend less elsewhere and more of it has to just go to food as a share, right?
And this is going to be another ugly retail day. And I'll echo what Daniel said just about Costco. When you look at their non-food, so things that are purely discretionary, they went from what our math says is down 3% in February to down around 7% in March. So the consumer, if you look at Costco's numbers, they definitely slowed in March. If you look at another company, Buckle, BKE, which is a company I actually like and I want to be long it at a price, just not this one, it put up a negative 10 comp, which is a big deceleration. And this company is doing a lot right from a merchandising standpoint.
Negative 10?
Negative 10. They put up a negative 10.
That must be worse. That must be worse than any, ex the pandemic, which was, by the way, a 3-month recession. It's got to be the worst number I've heard of Costco in my career in 24 years.
No. The 10 is on Buckle. BK.
Oh, Buckle. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Costco's not putting up a down 10 comp, but Costco, their discretionary purchases definitely decelerated. We're by our read, in their call commentary and by syncing with Daniel this morning, seem to have decelerated by about 500 basis points from February through to March.
Okay, I got you. I misheard that. Apologies. Buckle, just a seasonal short for me, unless they have the jean shorts, because I'm wearing shorts from now until October.
Well, that one, it probably is a short, because most of retail still is and still will be for at least a few months until we get through this consumer slowdown. And people want to be buying these stocks. And I've been talking about this, how I had these buy side meetings and people are like, I want to know what to own. What do I buy? And my list is so short. And they're like, no, but it's already in the stocks. Well, let's see. How. Let's see how Buckle trades.
You should have told them to be long of bags. If you want to be long your bag holding retailers yesterday, what a disaster. You have this ISM services number was exactly what we thought it was going to be, which is horrendous. And because the March numbers are terrible. You've heard it on the call every day throughout March, and just newsflash, it's April.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.